Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika and I do post makeup related videos on this channel. And if you are new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In today's video, I'll be doing this beautiful makeup look. This is nude makeup look. And this is the type of makeup look that you can carry any day, anywhere. It makes your skin look very skin-like and very natural. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Before starting your makeup, you need to apply a good moisturizer. According to your skin type, I have dry skin, so I'm applying this moisturizer from Vaseline. After moisturizer, I'm applying this primer to fill in my pores and to make my skin smoother. I'm using this foundation from Maybelline Fit Me and I'll be applying it all over my face with my finger, and then I'll blend this out by using a foundation brush. I like to apply my foundation first with my finger all over my face and then blend it with foundation brush or beauty sponge because it makes your foundation application easier, and in this way it also makes sure that you are not applying excess of product. I'm applying some foundation onto my neck also. Now I'm applying concealer onto all the highest points of my face and also onto my lids. I generally don't apply color corrector because I don't have that much pigmentation on my face, so there is no need to apply. And now I'm blending my concealer with the help of a small blending brush. I also don't like my skin to look very fake. I always prefer using a foundation that has medium coverage. I don't like very high coverage foundation because I want to make my skin look more skin-like and not very fake. By the way, I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer. Once my concealer is done, I'm setting my face with the help of a compact powder, and the one which I'm using is from Maybelline Fit Me. And after that, I am filling my brows with the help of an angled brush and a grey shade from the eyeshadow palette, and I am filling my brows in a very natural shape and giving it a very nice angle. I like to do my brows very nicely. I think it's a game changer. If it is done nicely, it can make your look way much better than before. I'm picking up this contour shade from the Sugar palette and I am applying it onto my crease. I am majorly focusing this shade onto my crease to give some depth to my eyes, but I was not satisfied with the way it looked because I want to give some more depth, so I picked a warm undertone brown eyeshadow from the palette. This is from Hilary Ruda, and I applied on the top of that previous shade. Now I'm picking up this shade from the palette and I am applying it on the center of my lid, starting from the inner corner of my eyes. Now just to tightline my eyes, I'm applying an eyeliner, and this is from Maybelline. After that, I'm curling my lashes with this Vega eyelash curler. I'm picking out this shade onto the spoolie and then I'll apply it onto my lashes, and then on the top of it I'll apply mascara. In this way my lashes will look more thicker and fuller because I'm not going to apply false lashes, so I'm doing this hack. Now I'm applying the same brown shade from the eyeshadow palette closer towards my lower lash line. Using the contour shade from the Sugar palette, I'm lightly contouring my face and I'm contouring my nose as well. And after that, I'll be applying blush onto the apples of my cheeks and onto my chin as well. And after that, coming to my favorite part, I'm applying highlighter. And guys, look at the glow it is giving to my face. I just love it, and I love applying highlighter. And I'm also applying highlighter onto my brow bone as well. Now coming to the final part of this makeup look, I'm applying this lipstick from Maybelline. This is pink undertone nude lipstick, but I was not happy with the shade with this makeup look, so I topped it up with a brown lit lipstick, and it's from Kiss Beauty, and this is the final finished look. I hope you all liked this makeup look and enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share this channel with your family and friends, and I'll see you guys with a brand new video. Till then, bye, take care.